Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to pay your CIBC credit card bill using the CIBC mobile application. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your CIBC mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. On the home page, you are going to see the bill pay tab. So simply need to tap on bill pay tab and then you will be landed on the next page where you need to select the bill that you wish to pay from the bill on in the drop down box. Then you need to enter the amount that you wish to pay in the amount field. Afterwards, you need to select the account from which you wish to pay the bill from the from account drop down box. Then you need to select the pay bill button and then you will be landed on the next page where you will have to review all of the informations that you have mentioned previously, and if everything is correct you just have to click on the bill pay or pay button, and this way you will be able to pay your credit card bill using CIBC app. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.